Fit Like a Fighter Club had their 7th staging of the Coliseum Martial Arts Amateur Fight Night recently at Fun Aerobics, a fitness in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine, for fighters in the program to showcase what they learned during practice. Denise Walters reports.
MMA fighter Vaughn Jackson made no mistakes against another MMA fighter, Matthew Gray, in their welterweight matchup on the 7-bout boxing card. Jackson ensured the fight didn't go to the 3rd round as he knocked out Gray in the 2nd. Gray received a 60-day medical suspension per ringside physician Anike Harvey's recommendation. But Jackson had high praises for Gray.
I was in the 2nd round that I knocked out the opponent. Good opponent. Was hitting me some good shots in the 1st round, but in the 2nd round, my coach told me to jab. When one of my punches caught him, I just capitalized our fight, pressure him, and I got me knocked out.
Interestingly, Jackson only recently started boxing.
The first match, well, that's unrequired. It's my first one. So only one match, or for one match. I've been at the gym, at this club, for around 2 to 3 months now.
Well, I actually love boxing and I'm fighting, right? But boxing seems like technical. It's kind of mentally stimulating, so I have to think about it, and that's what I say.
Meanwhile, Kashiv Nelson defeated Tristan Grant in their super welterweight matchup by way of judges' decision after 3 rounds.
I'm trying to make the Olympic team of Jamaica, so I'm trying my best to work to all the fights and get my experience. I have the determination, and as my coaches would say, I have a very big heart, so I'll get there.
Renowned local boxer Setsi Davis was on hand for the fight night and was pleased with the talent he saw.
I guess they can go some medal if the coach really pay attention to them more, and even Jamaica boxing board. Try first, me see them, I don't know them name like that. But I see one or few guys me see that they have potential.
Odain Taylor, founder and head coach at Fit Like a Fighter Club, is hailing the event a success.
We are seeing where growth has been happening, and both with the fighters and with the event and the amount of patrons that are now coming to support us. We have seen a lot of changes, and there's more to come, and there's a lot more to be worked on. And we have been doing what we have been doing all of what we can do to help the development of combat sport in Jamaica.
There was also 4 bouts of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and 3 bouts of kickboxing on the fight card on the night. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.